ready?
So for this video, we will be trying our luck here in the KOF bingo. So this will be my first time drawing for this event, and hopefully I will get Kei Gushun or Ayori Chu. So these two are my favorite hero skin for this event, and hopefully we get lucky and we get one of these two. First 10 draw. Leona.
あなたでは
Ha?
勝てない
Arena Leona. Uy. Try natin to. 10 times. 10 times draw. Sana makaswerte ng AOF.
Light me up!
Yun, may Ayori. Maraming duplicate. May duplicate. Duplicate skin. Duplicate skin, please. Nice. Duplicate skin, please. Nice. Duplicate. Duplicate. Nice. Pang 9. Spin. Nice. Another one. Ito. Sana 9. 9. Eh, puta. Hindi mo ka. Times draw. Ano si Busho? Nice. Busho. Nice, Busho.
俺一人で
Swerte naman talaga.
十分
Para sa mga Swertein ko eh. May daily discounter. Tayo natin makatamba pa tayo dito. Oh! Sige! Ang alam, nabibingin ko na. Oh, sino kaya? Okay. get another token, so let's spin. 63rd draw. Another.
I have a heart of light.
Ano? So, this will be my 70th draw. But before that, let's go to shop wish list. So I've got here all my wish list. Before I got Gusion, I put K-Gusion here in my wish list, and I got K-Gusion in only 40 draws. So hopefully we get Iori 2. This will be my 70th draw. I will use my 500 diamonds first recharge. Putang ina mo, ayoko na. Another one.
Minotaur!
Nice. Sana 50 draws pag hindi 50 draws. Ang tama na to. Okay. Sana wak mo natin 50 draws. Nice! Thank you. Sana Iori 2. Nice! Thank you talaga, siyempre. Worth it. Very worth it. I think this helps a lot in wish list. So I put the Iori 2 here in the wish list. That's why maybe the probability of getting Iori 2 is somewhat high. So in this KUF event, I got my favorite skin, which is Fusion, and the second skin that I got is this Iori 2. Here's what I did. Let's go to shop. You can see here the pink heart wish list. Let's say we will be adding Clint skin. Let's look for
I will revive it.
this one. So if you want to add this to your wish list, just look here, the grayed out heart, click that. It's now a pink heart now. It became pink heart. So let's go back to the shop, and there you see a Clint. So that's what I did before I draw for the KOF event. That's why I got my two favorite hero skin, which is K-Gusion and Iori 2. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more videos like this: gaming tutorials, key mapping tutorials, DIY tutorials, reviews, and some other contents. Again, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.